children, I've been thinking. I'm sure that it isn't very interesting to you young people to look at so many old pictures. So I'll put on some records.
Grandma, we'd like to go to the party.
Abigail, it isn't good manners to rush your gentleman caller out of your parlor. And besides, I'm sure that Richard would like to hear some music. Oh, wouldn't you, Richard?
Oh, sure.
You see?
That's a record player?
It's a gramophone. Oh, the waltz is such a beautiful dance.
Grandma, the kids nowadays don't waltz.
Well, what do they do?
Oh, the monkey, the flute.
The jerk, the Freddy.
What peculiar names. Oh, in my day, we had lovely dancers with sensible names. We had the grizzly bear and the turkey trot and the bunny hug.
She's kidding.
She's serious.
Will you waltz with me, Richard?
I don't know how. I better look at some more pictures.
No need to be bashful. I will teach you the basic steps. Listen to the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Abigail.